Heidi. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a snack called ants on a log. So the most common way to make ants on a log is to use celery with peanut butter and raisins. But you can get really creative with this snack. So I have a lot of different options that I'm going to show you today, but you can always show us what you made. So I have my celery, my carrots, I have my trail mix pack that has nuts and raisins in it. I have a slice of apple, some Cheerios, some peanut butter, some ranch, some blueberries, and some knives. Be very, very careful, and some scissors. So first, I gathered all my materials, and then I made sure to wash them and wash my hands before I got started. So now that we're ready, we'll go ahead and take our celery, and we're gonna take our knife very, very carefully. Make sure you have your parents' permission and maybe their supervision as well. So we're gonna take our piece of celery, we're gonna set it on a cutting board, and we're gonna start by cutting off the tips. So we're gonna cut this little tip of our celery off very carefully. And we're gonna cut little pieces, maybe about 1 inch to 2 inches big, depending on what size you want your snack to be. We're just gonna cut little pieces very carefully. You might wanna make them a little bigger if you want to. It's totally up to you. After we have our celery all cut, now we can start to get creative with our toppings. So the most common way to make ants on a log is like this one that I showed you. It's peanut butter with raisins. So we'll go ahead and take our peanut butter, and we'll take one of our knives. You may also use a spoon or a fork or whatever you're comfortable with, and go ahead and get a scoop of peanut butter, and we'll take a piece of our celery and we'll scoop our peanut butter inside there, just so it goes in the little hole, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and put our toppings on. So for this one, we're gonna use raisins. So I'm gonna go in my bag and find a few raisins and put them on my celery. This is ants on a log. Okay. Now we can make a whole bunch of different combinations, and we can get as creative as we want. So I really like peanut butter, so I'm gonna stick with peanut butter. I'm gonna take another scoop of it, go ahead and put it on my piece of celery. And this time I'm going to use berries. So I have blueberries. Take some blueberries, go ahead and put them on my celery. This one, maybe we can call it berries on a branch. Next, we're gonna make another one. So this time, I think I want to use Cheerios, and I think Cheerios would go good with peanut butter. There's a whole bunch of different spreads that you can use, maybe Nutella or nut butter, anything you think would taste good. So I'll put my Cheerios on here. Here we go, there's another one. And I'm gonna try to get a little more creative and use my apple slice. So I'm gonna take my bigger piece this time because my apple slice is pretty big. And I'm going to take my peanut butter, because I really like peanut butter, and go ahead and scoop it on there. And this time, I'm gonna try to make a design. So I'm gonna take my apple slice, and I'm gonna put it on my peanut butter and squish it in there, kind of looking like something. Then I'm gonna maybe take some raisins, or maybe I have some pumpkin seeds in here, maybe sunflower seeds. And I'm gonna take some and put it on my slice right here. And they sort of look like little eyeballs. Kind of looks like a snail. Okay, now another item that I can use is ranch. So I'm gonna take my last celery slice, and I'm gonna take my ranch, and luckily my ranch has a little squirting part on it, so I'll just use that. Makes it nice and easy, just right in my piece of celery, just like that. So I can eat it just like that, or I can cut up this piece of carrot and add some carrots in it. Let's go ahead and cut a little bit of carrot, just some little circles, just like that. Ooh. Just stick them in there. A snack. So there's lots of different ways that you can make this snack, and you can get as creative as you want. Try different food combinations, whatever you think is going to taste good. And make sure you let us know what you make. Thank you. Bye.